Diwali, an Indian festival of lights and feast.
Yeah, today we're seeing a non-veg feast which can be made under 90 minutes.
This is very famous in our place that we call it as thala Diwali Virundhu. We have made some pre-work. We'll show you how to make the pre-work, and in magic of 90 minutes you can prepare a big feast for your guests. Previous day to the feast, all you have to get ready is a cup of fried onion, a cup of ginger garlic paste, a cup of shallots that's been peeled, and a cup of coconut milk. You can make it fresh or you can get it store bought, but you have to have these ingredients ready, and we have to do the marination part the previous night. Previous night we are going to marinate the chicken by adding some salt, some turmeric, some chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and some lemon juice. This is for the chicken gravy that we are going to make tomorrow.
Let's marinate the fish. For the marinade, I'm gonna add in salt, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, fennel powder, and we're gonna add 2 types of chili powders. This is called Kashmiri chili powder. This is for the color. And then we're gonna add the regular chili powder. And this one is for the spice. Then I'm gonna add in lemon juice. Now let's make it into a nice paste. Now I have 2 pomfrets. I'm going to add it on the fresh pomfret. We've also made slits previously so that the marinade gets inside and the flavor is much more. Let's marinate the chicken roast. So I'm going to add a spoon of salt and some turmeric and some chili powder and some garam masala. Now I'm going to add some curd and some ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to mix it.
Let us marinate for the biryani. We are going to make mutton biryani. Here we have half kg of mutton. To this I am going to add ginger garlic paste, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and 2 green chilies finely chopped. Biryani masala, this is homemade. Salt, some chili powder, some turmeric, some yogurt, and lemon juice. I have half cup of fried onions here. I'm going to add this fried onions to this and then mix it well. Finally, we are going to marinate for the brine fry. Add adequate salt, some turmeric, and then chili powder. This brine has been well cleaned.
All the marinations are ready. I can't wait to grill it. Yeah, and I can't wait to taste it.
We have prepared the marination and it's been refrigerating. We are going to start the Diwali feast preparation now. Time is 11:30 now. We'll see how much time we are going to take.
Yeah, I can't wait to make the dishes, and it's gonna be so fun with the relay race. Yeah.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, I'm so ready. So I'm going to make my white rice. I'm going to put it inside boiling water. Now I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to pass it to Purna. Now I'm going to make mutton nelly soup. This is the mutton that I have here. It's so good that when you cook it, I'm going to add it into my cooker. Now I have some water. I'm going to pour it in. turmeric. Some cumin powder. I have 5 shallots and 2 garlic pods. I have my mortar and pestle here. I'm gonna put them in and I'm gonna crush it. Now I have my garlic pods and shallots crushed. I'm gonna add it in. I'm gonna close my cooker. Close my whistle. Now my soup is cooking. I'm gonna pass it on to Mom.
I've heated some oil. To this, I'm going to add some whole garam. We have taken the marinated mutton over here. I'm just going to transfer it to this. Give it a good mix. Let this mutton get cooked. I'm going to start the work for the chicken. I'm going to switch on the stove for the chicken gravy and adding some oil to this. We have this marinated chicken here. I've taken half cup of fried onions and 2 tomatoes. I'm going to transfer it into my blender. The oil has been heated. I'm going to add the marinated chicken. Also, I'm going to add some curry leaves to this chicken. Give it a nice amount of curry leaves. This adds a nice flavor. I'm going to blend this fried onions and tomatoes over here. The nalli soup. The first pressure for the nalli soup is coming. We have to make for more whistles. This was the bowl in which chicken has been marinated. I'm going to add some water to this and pour it into this. And pour it into this fried onion and tomato blend. Now I'm going to add this fried onion and tomato blend to this chicken. So give it a good mix. This gravy is going to be ready in few minutes. So that's it. Let's close the cooker. Meanwhile, let's take a look into the mutton biryani. So meanwhile, the mutton biryani is getting cooked. Look at the mutton, it's been beautifully getting fried. It's time to pressure cook. I'm adding approximately half cup of water to this. And I'm going to pressure cook this until the mutton is very well done and soft. Let's put the whistle and cook until the mutton is getting nice and soft.
Now we've got more than 10 whistles and my soup is ready. I'm going to turn it off and let it sit until the pressure goes off. So I'm going to make now some boiled eggs. Then I'm going to add some water. And place it carefully.
Three whistles have come and the pressure has gone. I'm going to take a look into the chicken and check how it's been cooked. Wow, look at the color. It is ready. To add, I have switched on the stove. I'm going to add more flavor to the gravy by adding powdered cashew and poppy seeds to this. It gives a nice tint of richness to this gravy. Just cook it for 1 more minute and that's it. You can add pepper too on the top for nice spice. It's been 10 minutes. I think the eggs will be boiled. Let's switch off the stove. Chicken gravy is already ready there. We are going to transfer this egg and keep it there. And I'm going to start working for the brain fry.
The pressure has gone for my soup. I'm going to open the cooker.
I'm going to start working on the brain fry. Going to add nice amount of oil and let the oil heat. The soup smell is just reaching me too.
Yeah, and it's nice and spicy when we add the pepper. And I love to eat snowy curry soup. So good.
Give a wait, yeah. The oil is being heated. Going to add shallots to this. 2 green chilies and a sprig of curry leaves.
Okay, what is
And I'm going to saute this very well. It takes at least 3 to 5 minutes for the shallots to get translucent. Meanwhile, can we transfer the soup and get ready with other things? The onion is being fried nicely. I'm going to add the marinated brine to this. Just top it up and just top the shallots all over. And close it with a lid. Let's take a look into the mutton. It's been cooked and simmered for 15 minutes after 6 whistles. Look at it. It's been cooked so well. The mutton is soft. Everything is looking nice. Let's switch on the flame and I'm going to add a cup of thick coconut milk. I'm going to add a thin coconut milk that's been there. You can add water if you don't have it. If you have this, you can add it. It's not a big issue. So I'm adding approximately 3 cups. I need to add 1 more cup of water because we are going to cook 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to add 4 cups of water to this. Let it come to a nice boil. Then we'll add rice and salt required for the biryani. Added some Kashmiri chili powder to give a color. I'm going to add some water to this. And let it cook until it comes to a nice boil. So I'm going to add this coriander cumin powder. This is the special powder that we get ready for non-veg items. I'm adding a teaspoon of it, and again I'm adding a teaspoon of ground cashew and poppy seeds as I added in the chicken gravy. Let it cook for another 2 minutes until this water gets a little dried up and the brain fry will be ready. Meanwhile, let's start making the chicken roast. I'm going to start making the chicken roast. Bhargav is so curious to make it, so I'm going to heat oil and I'm going to call him to put the chicken roast into it. Can we start making the fry, Bhargav?
Yeah.
Just add some corn flour to this marinated chicken. Give it a good mix, and then the oil has been heated already.
I'm so scared.
Yeah, that's it. So the water for the biryani, coconut milk and water for the biryani is getting boiled. I'm going to add some salt to it. Can you smell biryani?
Yeah.
So I'm adding salt for the rice. And I've soaked the rice. This is special variety rice called Sira Samba. You can add basmati rice too, but this is so famous right down in the south.
It looks so good.
You can put it on the stove a little higher, okay? And just cook it for 1 whistle and your biryani is going to be ready. Chicken is getting well roasted. The chicken is being beautifully roasted. I'm going to transfer it into the plate. Look at the color, so appetizing. Right time, the biryani is getting cooked. The first whistle for the biryani has come. Let's switch off the flame so biryani is ready. Once the pressure is gone, let's open and garnish with some cilantro. So we have let the cooker sit there for the pressure to go up. Let's open the biryani later. I've placed the grill over here. We have this beautifully cut pineapple. So we are going to grill this pineapple and serve it.
Yeah, meanwhile, I'm gonna fry my fish. I've already applied some corn flour to it. I'm gonna place it in this oil. I'm gonna place my next fish.
Put it in this direction. Put it in this way. Yeah. Let the pineapple get grilled and the fish get roasted. Puna is going to make lemon juice and Bhargav is going to make sweet pida.
Yeah.
Our piece is almost getting ready. The pressure for the biryani is gone. Wow. Lovely biryani is ready. Look at this beautifully cooked. We are transferring the biryani. Look how beautiful the consistency is.
I have some tutti frutti, dulkan, and supari, and I'm gonna mix it well. Then I'm gonna place it in my pita. And I'm gonna fold it. You can have this after a heavy lunch. And I'm gonna close it with this.
Mutton biryani, chicken gravy, brine fry, rasam, sweet pida, lemon juice, boiled egg, nalli soup, white rice, chicken roast, fish fry, grilled pineapple, and we have raita in the waiting and lassi. Look at this feast. Wow.
Yeah, and it only took us 90 minutes. Yeah, and they could dig in. Yay! Our challenge is completed. It's finished within 90 minutes. It's delicious. Yeah, it smells good. I hope all of you try this at your home for Diwali. And then thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.